Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the smooth video cutout transition on Capcut PC. So first of all, you will need a subject here. I'm just going to select, let's say, trying to find a video that I want. I keep using the same video, so I'm trying to find one that's different, but it's very hard to do. So let's just use this one. I'm going to place it on another video. Let's say this graduation one. And then on the second one, you're going to freeze frame the first few frames. Add it on here, and then remove background on the freeze frame one. Select auto removal. And then I'm going to make it a little bit shorter than that. Also, don't place it anywhere else because you want to transition it to the video. Just going to make it shorter. There we go. Select animation and select an in animation. It's up to you what you want to use, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.